Here is how to require Autopay in HoneyBook step by step. Start by signing into your HoneyBook account, then open the project that contains the invoice or proposal you want to update. This needs to be the specific project where the payment schedule is already set up, since the Autopay requirement is applied from within that file. Once you are inside the project, open the Smart File. In the Smart File, select the invoice block so the payment settings appear. If you are working from a proposal that includes an invoice, the same invoice block is where you will make this change. The goal here is to get into the invoice settings rather than editing the general project details. With the invoice block selected, look for the Settings panel and open Payment Options. This section controls how the client will handle scheduled payments connected to that invoice. When Payment Options is open, find the setting labeled Require Autopay for future payments and turn it on. After that, review the payment schedule before you move on. This part matters because required autopay only works when there are multiple future payments still scheduled. If there is only one unpaid payment remaining, HoneyBook will not allow required autopay for that file. Check the schedule carefully and confirm that more than one future payment is listed. If you are looking at an invoice with a deposit and at least one additional installment after it, that usually meets the requirement. The key is that more than one unpaid payment must still be ahead. Once you have confirmed the schedule and turned on the setting, save your changes. Make sure the updated payment option is kept before you leave the Smart File. Then share the invoice or proposal with your client so they receive the version that includes the autopay requirement. From the client side, the autopay requirement takes effect when they submit their first payment. At that point, they will be required to enroll in autopay for the remaining scheduled payments. After enrollment is completed, HoneyBook will automatically charge those future payments on their due dates based on the payment schedule already attached to the invoice or proposal. If you need to verify the setup before sending it out, return to the invoice block and check that the Require Autopay for future payments option is still enabled and that the payment schedule still shows multiple upcoming unpaid payments. That final review helps confirm that the file matches the conditions HoneyBook needs for this setting to apply. Your HoneyBook invoice or proposal now requires autopay for future scheduled payments.